This is how big I'm gonna clap for you when you're a jerk. Hey guys, Mel here, looking like a burglar again. We're starting a new week. I haven't been live, I haven't been posting just because I've been in a whole mood this week. I'm going to take the opportunity and try my best to do gig work all week. 2 o'clock in the morning, I am gonna go charge my car. The 18th, 19th, 20th, and see how that goes as far as gig work. And I'm gonna take you guys along with me, so if that's something that you're interested in, stick around. Miss Ma'am is getting impatient. You can go bye-bye? Yeah? Don't ever tell Hopper you're going bye-bye unless you're going bye-bye, because it's what she does. It's February 18th on a Tuesday. I'm going to show you guys my chart really quick of what I've been doing. Eventually, I'm going to make a video going over this with you guys. I have been tweaking this spreadsheet for months. You can see my goals. Sunday through Saturday, obviously, my goal is 1085 for the week. I broke down between 5 days a week and 7 days a week, so I'd have to make 155 a day if I'm working every single day. And if I want to take 2 days off, I have to make 217. I'm out of breath because I put my shoes on. Totally out of shape. My body is just going downhill because I've been so tired. I can't stand for long periods of time, so I need to get back into the groove. And when I was doing gig work with you guys in California and just running around and hustling, I was the happiest. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, maybe with gig work, but I might pick up a shift depending how I feel. Then I can edit. I edit my videos at my job. I might as well take advantage of the fact that I'm getting paid to do what I love, which is not security work. I just have a different mind frame, you guys. I'm really ornery. I'm really angry that I have to work. I've been depressed for a while, working. So I need to get out of this funk. We're heading over to Target in a different area today. We'll see how that treats us. I have to drop off these 2 Target orders between 9 and 10. It's currently 8 o'clock. We're gonna hustle till about 2 o'clock. After 2 o'clock, maybe I'll stop, come home, take a rest, eat, and go back out. If you guys have not been on ChatGPT and asked some questions about gig work, you need to get on it. I really wanted to figure out how many orders I had to do a day, how much money I had to make, what areas are best around me. And ChatGPT is not my best friend because it literally gives you all the answers. If you ever use ChatGPT, it actually asks you more questions after your question, and you just go into this whole tangent. Here is my outfit for today. I'm comfortable. Excited to see how much money we can make together today. Stay tuned towards the end of the video because I will tell you guys the totals of how much I made. It is hustle day, so hold me accountable. I'm holding you accountable too.
We have 2 customers. They were 2 individual orders, so they weren't grouped together. Both of them have to be dropped off between 9 a.m. and 10. One customer ordered 7 items, so I have to go inside and shop Target, and then she spent $131.37, and that order's payout is $7.84, so we'll see if she tips. The other lady's order, she has 26 items that I have to shop for. She spent $89.45. Love this order because it's a bunch of produce, and the payout is supposed to be $12.40. So for this hour from 9 a.m. to 10.
Payout is $20.24. I'm going to turn on Instacart. I'm going to turn on Uber Eats, and I'm going to turn on Walmart Spark. If you are just relying on one app, you are out your whole mind. Never, ever, ever put all your eggs in one basket so you can make more money every single hour and combine those orders. Shipt has an incentive going on this week. If I do 3 shop and deliver orders, I get an extra $12. Harper thinks she's going with, and she's not, so she's mad at me. But she's gonna watch all of our creepo neighbors all day, aren't you? So I will be back. Give me a kiss. Starting the day with a 95% charge. We got 193 miles. I didn't eat anything this morning, so I know that's one thing that's going to catch up with me. I do have my protein coffee, which keeps me actually really full, and I have my cranberry juice. I can't complain because it's not 120 degrees, and I'm not sitting outside in 36 degrees like my company allows me to. So that's another reason why I'm ornery, and I just need to start working for myself again. There's all of these things that really irritate me, and it's relatable to you guys, so I hope I can just push through the negative and the things I don't like and just be able to be like, I deserve better. I've done better. And I'm not going to settle for anything less than. Okay, y'all, we're at Target. This is the first customer right down here. And this order took me forever, but it's a bunch of clothes and kid shoes. This is one customer right here. This is the other customer over here. We finished that at 9:33, y'all. It was supposed to be done between 9 and 10. I'm really surprised I got that done when I did. I drove into an area where I didn't have reception, which is pretty common for my phone. It's annoying, but whatever. Going with the flow today, not being stressed, because I get more stressed out at my jobs and I'm out here doing my own thing. I'm on my own time in my own car, and I should be thankful and grateful. I have 2 more Target orders. I drove all the way to the Target that's closer by my house because I know my phone works.
Our first order, we have a lady that's grabbing 7 items. She spent $37.99. Payout is $7.54. We also grabbed another order that was 8 items. She spent $56.95 and the payout was $6.97.
This hour from 11 a.m. to noon, we're going to get that bonus. Remember, I told you guys if I do 3 Shipt orders that qualify in between what they're asking for, you get an extra $12. So we got $12, $7.54, $6.97. So this hour we're making $26.51. If they don't tip, that's what I'm making per hour. So I'm okay with that. So far, we're looking at around $46 for the day, and I cannot complain about that because that's me standing on my feet for 3 hours with no break at my other jobs. Just stay thankful and grateful that I have the opportunity to be doing this, and why I haven't been doing it is beyond me. I had the excuses before because I was staying with family. I didn't have my car. Those are valid reasons. Now that I'm out on my own, I have some goals that I'm trying to set, you guys. I started investing. I want to stack about $1,000 and then throw some money into investments. I'm trying to go big or go home, be obsessed about it and do it, because that's what I'm capable of doing, instead of going to work every day showing up for a company that don't give a diddly squat about me. When did this car get here? People, I'm all the way in the back of the parking lot minding my own business. Here is order number 1, you guys. Here's order number 2. This order took me forever because I couldn't find this dress. I had to ask somebody to help me. This last lady just aggravated the hell out of me because she put the incorrect address in her address part, which I don't understand why people don't frickin' change it. How many people have delivered to your house and you put in your notes this cross streets, but you're too lazy? So I spent 15 extra minutes just trying to find her, and I sent a picture of the map just to educate her, saying that, hey, your address is wrong. Google Maps took you over here, but you're supposed to be over here. So I tried to tell her that, and she's like, are you here yet? We're just gonna keep it moving because people are so freaking entitled. And her measly $6 can kiss all my grits. I need some food, that's for sure. So I might just take a little resty, and after dealing with this lady, I need a recharge for sure, because my tolerance for people, that's small. This is how big I'm gonna clap for you when you're a jerk. Duck crossing. Mama. Hi, baby. Hi, Mama. Hey, pumpkin pie. Hi. Hi, Mama. What are you doing in here? What are you doing in here? Were you laying in the sun? Were you laying in the sun with your baby? Oh, yeah? Hey, yes, ma'am. Y'all, this is what she does. Every time I walk in the door, she says hi, and then she sits over here. We have egg bites, some sausage, some tater tots with ranch and parsley and cottage cheese. I got these to eat. These are from Sam's Club. And I also bought packs of these from Sam's Club. I don't remember how many they come in a pack, but if you guys are short on eggs. 8 o'clock at night, I ate and then I went to sleep. So I'm up now. I have an Instacart order. We're shopping for 17 items, 1.8 miles, and the payout is $15.28. We're at Fry's. Instacart said this order is supposed to take me 22 minutes, so we'll see. It's 8:09 right now, and I'll see you guys inside with the cart. I could literally do this all day, you guys. I'm going in a circle. We have another Instacart order. It's going on 9:05. This order, we're picking up 5 items, driving 1.2 miles, $5 tip. Payout is $12.33. Organic. And then, because I'm judgy, she buys her dog kibbles and bits that's dyed and has the most disgusting ingredients for her pet. Make it make sense. I'm just saying. I'm in my own business, get my money. We have one more order. It's probably going to be the last one for the night, you guys, because the stores close at 11 out here. This order is 5 items, 1.6 miles, $2.68 tip. So the total is $8.01 for this order.
I am back at home with Miss Mammy of the Hammies.
It's going on 10:45. But let's recap the day, you guys. I'm so excited that I actually did some gig work today. I'm very proud of myself because normally I would just lay in bed and sit at home or pick up a shift that I hate. So I say I'm winning today.
Our total for the day is $82.08.
5:30 in the morning. I'm up with the roosters today. I don't sleep longer than 8 hours in a day. I have a shift tonight from 11:30 to 7 p.m. So during the day, I want to be productive, probably come home, eat dinner, and take a nap. I have dishes to do. I have a dishwasher to empty. As you guys have been saying, my hair looks good. It's probably because I brushed it. But I have been using this every single day in my coffee. Yesterday we had a good day making $82. I'm okay with that. I'm gonna eat, soak my feet, and look at my money, and then hopefully get dressed and let's go out and do some more gig work together. My parents went to Mexico about 2 weeks ago. They got me this shirt, so I think I'm gonna do all my orders in it. Let me know what you guys think. I literally died laughing here's the back. I was laughing so hard I peed my pants. I want more shirts like this because how fun would it be to go deliver your orders like that? You don't have to wear a uniform when you're doing gig work. Okay guys, we have a full car doing a Target order. We have 18 stops. It's supposed to take me 3 hours and 15 minutes. The payout is $62.50. It is 1 o'clock, you guys, and we're halfway through. I had a lot of orders that were putting me in areas where there was no signal. This route is taking me longer than I expected, and it's so annoying, but we're gonna keep pushing. As I was passing through some towns, I got an Instacart order. I think we're shopping for about 10 items. The payout was $22. We're gonna go inside and I'll show you guys the cart, and then we'll drop this order off and we'll keep continuing to do the Shipt. It's 3:16. My battery's at 46%. I have 97 miles left. Finally finished that Shipt multi-order. I'm gonna go home for a couple hours and eat and rest, take Harper out, and then go back out tonight. I did call in to my job because
F that job.
Tomorrow I am going to be working at the mall. I actually picked up a shift for tomorrow and Friday, so I'm working 9 to 5. $62, $82 from 10 a.m. to 3:15. You guys know I don't do math, but hopefully we can have another night like last night when we had just loop-de-doops with the fry orders, but we shall see. I need to go home and rest my bones, that's for sure, and eat because I'm really dehydrated. I was sitting here being patient, y'all. Slow, slow, low, and slow, low and slow. And then we finally got this one. So we're gonna go ahead and go over to Fry's. It's going on 8 o'clock again. We are at Fry's, you guys. We have 15 items to grab. We're back at home. Miss Ma'am has been fed and now she's suckling. Like I said, F that job. We did the Target order, which was $62.50. We did those 2 Instacart orders, which totaled out $47.33, bringing our day to $109.83. Tomorrow in the morning, I'm working from 9 a.m. to 5. Friday, I will be doing the same thing, picking up a 9 to 5 shift, which brings me
40 hours, and my paycheck is going to be $605.79. We're working 9 p.m. to 9 a.m. on Saturday and Sunday. March, I'm trying to take 2 days off a week. So hopefully I will be doing some more gig work with you guys and just kind of sharing what I'm doing with my life. I need rest. January, I literally worked every single day. And my next video, you guys, I will show you what I did in January as far as money, what I achieved. I achieved amazing things because I worked my butt off so much that I can barely stand. I'm treating myself to some French silk pie. Gonna have a cup of coffee and then go to bed. Good morning, guys. It is bright-eyed. I'm bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. I can't even talk. I was up at 5 today, but it is 6:30. Let me show you guys what I've done for the morning. Of course, we have our protein coffee. Breakfast is served. I have made my lunch. Last night I had sausage and gravy with some rice noodles. And then I have my protein bars and some really delicious aloe vera water. This ma'am of the ham has eggs for breakfast. I have to work at 9, so I think I'm gonna leave here about 8:15 because traffic in the morning is ridiculous. So it's gonna take me 45 minutes to get 10 miles away. I'm ready to go to work, y'all. This is what I wear to work. Do I look like I want to work 9 to 5? No. Am I going to anyway? Yeah. Get my money, do my rounds, and go home. It's Thursday, February 20th, 8:25 in the morning. My battery on my car is 39%. We got 94 miles left to go. At some point tonight, I'm probably going to go charge my car after midnight. I do get off at 5. There's going to be brutal traffic, so I probably won't go home till 6. It's weird being up during the day. It's going to be weird being around people. We're just going to make this shift easy, breezy, lemon squeezy, and keep it moving, and hopefully it goes by fast. All of this gig work I've been doing has made me feel really great. It's nice to be out on my own, doing my own thing, and just feeling independent again. It's a different feeling than going to work for a job every day, I'll tell you that much. I do get frustrated, but at the end of the day, we have to stay humble and grateful for what we have. I hope you guys are having a great day too. So let's head over to my hob. It's about 3 o'clock. This day has gone by so fast. I have not done anything but do my rounds. Nothing's been happening. There's a bunch of people just shopping at the mall, so it's been really easy breezy, lemon squeezy. Much more peaceful and calm than night shift. I'm out here under a tree in my golf cart, just sitting here watching the parking lot. I have 2 more hours of my shift. Just had lunch. Pretty boring day, and that's a good problem to have. Here is the week, you guys. Sunday through Saturday, the 16th through the 22nd. We got 258 on Sunday, 81.58 on Tuesday. Monday I took the day off. 108.84 Wednesday, 133.71 Thursday, 261.59 on Friday, and $258 on Saturday for a grand total of $986.88. And you guys know my weekly goal is $1085, so we are $98.12 short, which is totally okay. I am happy with what I made, considering I took a day off and 2 of those days was gig work. So definitely satisfied and happy with the result.
Thank you guys so much for hustling with me this week. Comment F that job if you made it this far. See you again next week.